Welcome back, everybody. I got to looking for a shift knob for the 465. You know, 45, 50, 60, 65, $70. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. So I'm going to show you in this video, just a short little video. If you got a tap and die set and a drill, you can get you a free one. Go play a game of pool. No, I bought this for like $5 online. But I used to do this to a lot of them I had. Pretty quick, easy little project. If you don't have a shifter knob, there's no need in paying $60, $70 for a shift knob. I mean, that's ridiculous. And these actually have a really, really good feel to them. I've used the black 8-ball and the red 3 before on them. And so hang around, kind of watch this, show you how I drill and tap a pool ball for a shift knob. Alright, I'm going to show y'all what I used to do back in the day. I'm waiting on third gear for my sm465, doing a rebuild on it currently, and the transmission didn't have a shift knob. So shift knobs for those things are crazy. You can go play around the pool, get you a pool ball. So we're going to drill and tap this. These are 3/8 24 thread on this one. I've heard some of them is a M10 by 1.25 or something. I'm an American, so if I can run a standard tap on it, I'm going to. So let's get started here. I've got my 3/8 24 tap. It says to drill a 21/64 hole. We don't have anything like that, so we're going to use a 5/16, and pool ball should be soft enough we can make that work, even if we have to waller it out just a little bit. So we're going to get it clamped to a piece of 2x4 here and get started drilling. I'm going to do it on the edge here. Trying to get this ball to where it lines up just about right. Hopefully, when I go to tightening it, it's wanting to spin. Let's do the tightening on the other side.
I'm sure there's something over there.
All right, I've got it tightened up in there a little bit. I'm gonna start out, I'm gonna drill me a pilot hole. Try to get this going as straight as I can go with it. That should be about deep enough. Like I said, this is a 3/8 24 tap. I already run the die down the other side.
and just take your time with this, getting it started. Cut a little bit, back it out. They're not bad to do. I've not done one in a long time, but I had a lot of trucks I put these on. They just got a good feel to them. Actually, I think it's probably plenty. I think that is probably plenty. All oh yeah.
And there it is. It's upside down right now, but I can twist it around, lock it into place. Looking finer than a frog's hair. A lot better than just having the threaded shift rod sticking up there. So